Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. Cooking with Cathy here at Solano County Library. I am Cathy and I'm your host. We will be making banana oat pancakes today. Really simple, easy, relatively cheap, delicious and nutritious recipe. Again, 3 ingredients. Just 1 banana, 1 egg, and a half a cup of oats. However, before we get started, we want to wash our hands. Hand washing is very important in the kitchen, especially nowadays. Let's wash our hands. Anytime you're cooking in the kitchen with food, you always want to make practice good hand washing. So, like I said, it's 3 ingredients. My niece Kayla gave me this recipe, and I know you can probably Google it on the website and come up with different variations. But here at the library, at SolanoLibrary.com, under our catalog, we offer a wide variety of cookbooks. You always want to check us out, again, SolanoLibrary.com. Another resource we have is under our databases. If you go on our website, and there's a tab, it's called Research, so all our databases are listed there. There's a database, RB Digital, and they offer magazines to view online. Great. Some of the magazines they offer in reference to food and cooking is Bon Appetit, Clean Eating, Food Network magazine, Illustrated, Diabetic, Living, and Eating Well. So we're going to start our recipe. We are going to take, it's 1 banana, we want to peel it and we want to mash it up. Like that, we're going to toss this. We're going to get our egg in there. I'm going to mash the banana with the egg for now, and then I'll add the oats. Again, I always have to practice good hand washing. Simple ingredients. They make about 3 to 4 small size pancakes. So depending on who you're cooking for, you might have to double, triple the recipe. I also want to talk about in reference to nowadays eggs are, a little bit more expensive, hard to come by. They're limiting them at the grocery store. Also, in reference if you buy just regular bananas or organic. Again, I talk about it's relatively cheap to make this, but it depends on you personally and your budget, your family. Again, same with oats. I chose to use Rayleigh's brand today. We have Mom's Best Cereal. I know there's Quaker oats, so again, whatever suits you and your family. Now, currently we are closed due to this COVID-19. However, from 8:30 to 5 every day, Monday through Friday, I should say every day, Monday through Friday, we're open at 8:30 to 5 to take calls. So if you have a question, you need help, you can dial 1-866-572-7587, and you can get in touch with a librarian that can help you with whatever question that you have. So I'm just going to take the oats from here. It's a half a cup, and measure the oats here. I'm just going to put a little bit more in. You can always add to the recipe. You can add cinnamon if you like. Maybe some peanut butter or some chocolate chips. However, if you add that, you are going to change the nutrition value of the egg and the banana. So you want to stir it up. Make sure you have. Come over to the stove area, and I want to show you, I made these earlier, as you can see, and I dressed them up with the peanut butter. You can also add maple syrup or honey, whatever you have. This is probably not the greatest because it's high in sugar, so you want to just make sure that you watch your labels on your. And along with our cookbooks that we offer, we have quite a few. We also have books in reference to if you have like you know, you want to learn about cooking because you have diabetes or maybe Crohn's disease, or, you know, you need to lower your cholesterol. Those are available too at the library. You just need to search our catalog, SolanoLibrary.com. So we're here at the stove. I'm going to preheat the stove a little bit. This is a non-stick pan, which is fine. However, I am going to use a little spray. Some people prefer a little oil or maybe a little butter. It all depends. So this batter will be a little bit thick, so that you only want to put a little scoop, and we will spread it with our spoon. Need to come over here to get our spoon, just in case. But we are heating this up. I'm just spraying a little bit of this non-stick. I am going to get my plate over here as well. I also want to say, you know, when you're preparing to cook a recipe, it's always important to make sure you have the ingredients. Sometimes you start a recipe, you think, oh, I have that in the cabinet, and then you go and it's like, you don't have it. So you always want to make sure that you have everything you need, so you don't have to stop. Go to the store, have someone go to the store for you. So the pan's heating up, and we'll just wait for a little bit on that. So let me see. Okay. As you can see, it's not like regular pancake mix. It is a little bit thicker, but it makes about, like I said, 3 to 4 pancakes. I know I will get these going here. Just want to put a little in there, because then you can spread it out as like little pancake size. This, you know, you hear pancakes and you think breakfast. This is actually a nice treat for any time of the day, in an afternoon snack. You allow your children to cook, very easy, simple recipe for them. Just want to kind of make sure this is, use the end of the spoon here to spread it out a little bit. And we will let that heat up. And like I said, and then you plate it, depending if you want to add some honey or some maple syrup or maybe peanut butter. I added additional bananas. And they are delicious. I actually made some last night, and my son had them. They were great. Sometimes you have to play with this. They might turn over relatively easy, but you want to make sure. Probably about 2 minutes on each side. Let's look at that. Let's take a little bit longer. It's not quite ready. Cooking on a little bit high heat, depending on your stove, whether you cook with electric or gas, and how your appliances, they might take a little bit longer, or quick, or a little bit faster.
Can you repeat the ingredients again?
Yes, the ingredients is 1 banana mashed up, 1 egg, and a half a cup of oats. Now they can just be regular oats or rolled oats. And then, like I said, you can add, when you plate this, you can add, you know, syrup or maybe a little butter or honey or bananas or any other type of fruit that you prefer. So I'm going to start flipping these over. Oh, these look good. And that's like 3 mini cakes, and we still have a little bit more batter that maybe you can make another couple. Like I said, depending on your individual need or your family or whoever you're cooking for, you could double or triple the recipe. I enjoy cooking when I have the time. It's relaxing for me. I'm not too sure if others feel that same way, but I enjoy it. Always trying a new recipe. And like I said, you can Google, you know, any recipe nowadays, but you know, the library offers, like I said, a lot of different cookbooks, got database, you have a lot to offer. See, that one's not that done on that side, so we'll wait a little bit more. Make a mess. This one's pretty much done. I don't have the perfect round plating of the pancake down, but I think you can play around with the recipe, and like I said, let's scoop this in the middle. Depending on your oven, your stove, how your stove top is, will depend on how these pancakes cook. Like I said, I have an additional batter and I can add more. Let's get a little steamy in here. So you want to plate it. I'm going to add a little bit more oil. I'm going to cook the last bit of the batter here, so we can finish this up, so we don't want to waste anything. Like I said, just 3 ingredients, real easy, simple, healthy, in reference to what you know, plate it with. So you have these 3 pancakes. Like I said, you can add maple syrup, whatever you have in your home, or maybe honey, depending on what you or your family enjoy. I prefer this with, I will plate this with an additional banana on top, and maybe some of my fellow co-workers will enjoy this later. This is getting a little, it's a little steamy in here. I think we need to lower this. They're burning up in here. Okay. These are a little bit smaller and cooked too fast because I had it really hot. But I lowered the heat a little bit, and so I think they'll be okay. So I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Cooking with Cathy, and hopefully I'll be back to show you some more delicious recipes here at County Library.